Hello everyone. Today you will see the new Maserati Grecale Trofeo in striking blue emozione, a sport SUV that merges Italian style, high performance, and futuristic technology. If you want more futuristic car reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go! From the front view, the Grecale Trofeo immediately captures attention. Its bold grille features the iconic Maserati trident illuminated subtly for a futuristic touch, while sleek LED headlights resemble sharp, predatory eyes. The blue emozione metallic finish highlights the angular sculpting, giving the SUV a dynamic and aggressive look. Looking at the rear view, the SUV radiates sportiness. Slim LED taillights connect across the tailgate, while a sculpted diffuser and quad exhaust tips underline performance intent. The Maserati badge shines proudly, creating a sophisticated yet thrilling rear perspective. From the side profile, the Grecale Trofeo shows an athletic stance with coupe-inspired roofline and pronounced wheel arches. Futuristic alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, and the flowing blue emozione paint accentuates muscular contours. The compact sport SUV looks ready to launch, even standing still. Inside the interior, Maserati creates a futuristic cockpit blending luxury and technology. Premium leather with contrast stitching wraps the seats and panels, while ambient lighting adds an Italian flair. Panoramic digital displays and a holographic driver interface make the cabin feel like a space-age sports lounge. The illuminated trident on the steering wheel adds the perfect signature touch. Under the hood, the Grecale Trofeo hides a high-performance hybrid powertrain. The V6 engine delivers instant torque, while electric assist ensures smooth acceleration. From the full perspective view, the blue emozione Grecale Trofeo combines Italian design, futuristic technology, and sport SUV prowess. It is a statement vehicle for those who want speed, luxury, and innovation all in one package.